Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, may have a piece of bangarang for drop on uno. Then, the labor right them out here, my wisdom warriors, a huff and a puff and want to blow my golden house down. But guess what? Uno cannot blow it down. Uno cannot blow it down. When Andrew Wellness can come out and declare him statutory declarations in the Gazette, yes, in the Jamaican Gazette, then he can come and talk to you. Wanna hear me? Me tell you all the time, say Marky G is an honest man. Uno know say Marky G statutory declaration was published in the Jamaica Gazette. Uno did know that, my wisdom warriors? Me asking a question. Uno did know that? Yes, September 2023. Yeah, it was published. And guess one who signed for it? Was signed by the Privy Council, the Governor General, and the JP. And your wellness, when I can do this and beat Marky G, when? And then me see una huff and a puff about Mark Golding cannot this, he not certified. Mark Golding thing certified, brother. Una fi go sit down, una time waster, una somehow una dirty kin labor right. Una time wasters. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. Alright, my wisdom warriors, I want to take a look at this, okay? For all of the labor rights, una gathered over here, so because una little bit and too enough. This is the Jamaica Gazette. Extraordinary. This is, look, I want to take a look. Mark Golding statutory declarations has been certified. And your wellness can't do this and beat Mark Golding. Not day, not time. So when you hear we come out and attack, say Mark Golding is an honest man, you fi know that, labor right. You fi know that. Yeah? Take a look at this. The Jamaica Gazette, extraordinary. Friday, September the 29th, 2023. You see? It's in the Jamaica Gazette. And your wellness statutory can come in at the Gazette. And then on a dirty kin labor right out there every day I talk about my Golding, man. Who know, man? Who know? My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. The following notification is by command of His Excellency the Governor General, published for general information. You see that? I read it again. So some little boys and little girls say, Mark Golding a top. You hear, and none of no dirty kin labor right can walk in a Mark Golding shows. No day, no time. And when I say dirty kin labor right, me I chat to dirty kin ministers them. Them me I chat to. The following notification is by command of His Excellency, the Governor General, published for general information. Dwayne Hill, JP, Major, Governor General Secretary, and Clerk to the Privy Council. Just take a look at this. The Integrity Commission Act 2017, Summary of Statutory Declaration. Remember, I want to take a look at this. This published. Just take a look at this, see? Friday, September 29, 2023. Alright. Because no found no dirty kin labor right a chat off on the mouth. But Mark Golding this not certified. Wanna stop spread false news. Wanna stop it. Stop mislead the Jamaican people. So, my wisdom warriors, notice is hereby given pursuant to Section 42(3)(b) of the Integrity Commission Act 2017, the act that a summary of the statutory declaration of assets, liabilities, and income as at December 31st, 2022 for Mr. Mark J. Golding, leader of the opposition, is published as detailed below. The Integrity Commission Act 2017. Look, just take a look. You can go through it on yourself. Name of declarant, Mr. Mark J. Golding. Summary of income, assets, and liabilities of declarant, spouse, and children as at December 31st, 2022, and for the period January 1st, 2022 to December 31st, 2022. Income. You just take a look at these type of salaries. Just take a look, my wisdom warriors. Income and in assets and in liabilities over here. So just take a look, because me have to really laugh, And then all you Desmond Mackenzie are going to size up. Everall Warmington are going to size up. Who man? Who when uno can publish for a declaration in the Jamaica Gazette, then contact away. But for now, uno quit and go and leg up from boya. Uno not easy. Uno not easy. Look at his income. Look at his assets, liabilities. Just take a look. Total income. Just take a look, my wisdom warriors. You see what go on? You see figures? You see? And then you come chat about Mark Golding no certify. Mark Golding more than certify. Mark Golding certified so till he reach in the Gazette. Brother, that enough to know no dirty king labor right out there every day about Marky G. Marky G is an honest man. Wanna chat too much, me tell you no all the while, labor right. Wanna stop from be a follower and be a leader. Go and do your own research. Go and do your own research. My wisdom warriors, just take a look. The Jamaica Gazette extraordinary income, security income, savings account. Look, the man whole man business. Oh, the man put out everything. At this man I want to be my prime minister. I want to some people. At this man I have to be with prime minister. This man we don't want no prime minister where hide things. We don't want no prime minister where hide things. Huh? Can you imagine? Just take a look at our prime minister. Well, next prime minister, my wisdom warriors. Just take a look at his statutory declarations. It has been certified. And not only that, it is in the Jamaican Gazette. It's signed by the Governor General. Even the Governor General himself knows that Mark G is an honest man. And then the people that we want to represent us. Those are the people we want to represent us. You understand me? Those are the people we want to represent us, Jamaica. When you come out, just take a look. Look, the Integrity Commission Act 2017, summary of statutory declaration. Notice is hereby given pursuant to Section 42(3)(b) of the Integrity Commission Act 2017. Take a look. See there, you will have the man business out. Look, At them, and then when I chat about Mark Golding, bad man, and Andrew Honest. You don't see a thief, Andrew have a thief. Thief, for rich. You don't see that. And then I get up every day and talk about Marky G, this Marky G. You look upon figures. Look upon figures. 10 billion, 215 million, and 848,000. That you look upon money. Hello. Look. On the outside, so. My wisdom warriors, me just didn't want to show them, I just, listen, I do my research, I'm a see it, I say blouse and skirt. But me I go through this more thoroughly with you guys. Me just didn't want to see what I go on here, so. And say, Marky G, I no walk over boy, yeah. You understand? Marky G, I no walk over boy, yeah. Andrew Honest, go do this. And beat Marky G. Go and do this. You see, you do the wrong thing. You do the wrong thing, Andrew Honest. You take IC court for struck out section 14(5). You do the wrong thing, brother. The thing what we want to do is go and publish your statutory declarations. Go and publish it. You can't do that. You can't. And none of your ministers, them worst tests. Them can't do it. My wisdom warrior, see, it has been signed by JP and the Governor General and the clerk to the Privy Council. Sign this. And uno dirty kin labor right out here chat about Marky J. Uno go. Workless set a shit uno. No go man and come off for the man. And stop and the next thing too. This will not talk about Mark Golding own in business in the UK named Goldex. And stop tell like I may have the evidence right here. So no for go in a dirty kin labor right. No for go and load the man. But man own Goldex. The man no own no Goldex nothing. On a wicked some man. On a terrible. My wisdom warriors. Look at this. So me get this information from Twitter, which them call the X. And this person, them name Meet Jamaica, but me just not sure it, my wisdom warriors. And if you take a look, you can see what them write. Does Master Mark have a trust fund in the Cayman Island named Aggregate? Do he own lands and other assets in the USA and UK? Mark Golding no own no land in no UK and no USA. Mark Golding no own not a land. He land them way in a UK of the government. Not Mark Golding can own no land. My wisdom warriors. Then number 3, them say, is he a director of Goldex Limited, a company registered in UK? Not a thing no go so. Let me show you who is the director of Goldex Limited. No go ahead, don't take in labor right. See the person here who own Goldex Limited, my wisdom warriors in a UK, Mr. Ben Loberge. Mr. Ben Loberge, official director profile for Mr. Ben Loberge, born January 1988, including current and resigned company appointments. See the man here, Mr. Ben Loberge. At this man now, no stop mix up Mark Golding. Stop it. All when the man set no publish sign by Governor General and Privy Council and a JP and in publish in thing in the Gazette, uno still come out and a tell lie. Uno labor right, uno for stop it man, uno to workless man. Uno to workless. Last but not least, my wisdom warriors, number 4, were these assets declared to the IC? All them bullshit you know. Were these assets declared to the IC? Hello? Me just post the paper where explain everything. The Jamaican Gazette, uno go do no research. Be a leader, not a follower. Labor right, take my advice. Be a leader, not a follower. Go and find out things for yourself. Stop listening to people. Stop listening to people and go and find out things on yourself and stop talk about Mark Golding or declare asset. If Mark Golding asset wasn't declared, remember say Governor General of Labour right, you know. And if Mark Golding asset never declared, Governor General will not sign to it. Privy Council will not sign to it. So sometimes we have to build Labour right and talk about the Prime Minister criminal activity and criminal habit. At that enough to talk about stop defend criminality. We need to stop it and do the right thing. My wisdom warriors, tell me when I think about this. Me I go through it more better. Yeah, me I go through it more better tomorrow or so. Know the things that are ready. Me not really have the time. You understand? But don't know at after the press after drop a video, I make know what is going on. So guys, just like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Remember to follow me on TikTok, IG and X. The link are there in the comment section, my people. Also, you can join the WhatsApp group, which is 876-236-9097. But you have to text yes if you want to join the WhatsApp group. Guys, and one thing I want to know if you remember, if you want to text yes, say for example 1 day pass, 2 day pass, 3 day pass, yeah, and say me I don't know, text it again. You understand? A whole heap of text, a whole heap of voice note, a whole heap of video. Listen, a whole heap of people are sending things to my phone, and sometimes I might miss you. You understand? Or I'm a bit busy, but me definitely I gotta get to you guys. All right. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. We're on the road to 30K, guys. So get me to 30K. All right. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.